hurting my hand. Well, Chris, she thinks that hurts, but it don't. Ow.
No?
What's wrong, little girl? You're falling on the bed. Can you get up? Do you need a hand? Over here. Over here. Oh my God. I'm not going to be able to do this with this arm. This arm is weak. Okay, ready? Whoa. Okay, push me up, push me up. Be careful of my shoulder. Oh my God, you're in a hole. This is what I'm worried about in the middle of the night. You rolled the bed. No, we're not allowed to keep the bed on the wall. There's a reason. Did you sleep in a hole? Oh my God. Oh, she's in a hole. Ow. Good fun. You're in a hole. Hold on. Ow.
Okay.
She's coming from the dead. She's coming from the grave. She's coming from the grave. Oh, you did not disturb my play. I didn't even touch you. Bipolar much? No? Bipolar much? Again? You did it to me in class. You scared me after that. Perfect song for this moment. Just go on YouTube and guess who subscribed to me? And you're going to be tagged with me. You go get your Sunny D. Oh, don't follow me. Were you just dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah. You were swinging your arm. If you can't tell right now, she's no longer a brunette. She's got red hair to match her temper. No, Don said it matches your temper, and I agree. Hey, can you please take your fish-smelling uniform off? That's what I've been smelling the whole time, and I thought it was Kim. Did you just snort? This is why I love having you live with me. Besides the smelling of the fish. Please do take that off. It smells like tuna. Stop! That's why I'll never be able to work with you. Be able to stand that smell. Choking on that juice. Here, it's going down your teeth. Just because I don't start with me. I seriously, we're not a trip out of you.